we are going to study. Is it clear? I want silence while this video will play. Switch off one light. Front one. Yes.
Four and movement.
Both?
Yes. Only one. Front one. Yeah, that's it.
This.
Okay.
Habis kita popcorn seperti itu.
Sini mah, kita nak tulis.
Now, this was TCP. This is a TCP protocol. TCP means Transmission Control Protocol. Transmission Control Protocol. Whatever your data transfers from one computer to another computer on any location, it transfers with the help of TCP IP. IP is Internet Protocol. TCP is Transmission Control Protocol. So Transmission Control Protocol always works with IP, Internet Protocol. Okay. ICMP. This is a ping packet. Okay. If you want to check that your network is working or not, you can check it. How you can check that? With the help of command prompt. Okay, this is a CMD. I want to check my IP first. IP config. Okay, so this is my IP address. IP, Internet Protocol, version 4. Okay, so my IP is 192.168.1.177. Now, I want to check my internet is working fine or not. I will write that IP address and I will write ping. Okay, it means my network or internet is working okay. I am getting reply. Okay, this is all about ICMP. This is UDP. UDP always work on a small scale level. Okay, basically on large scale level we use TCP. Okay, UDP we use in a small scale level. You might have knowledge about this router. You know router? If I have a internet on this machine, at home we have internet connection, okay? I want that internet connection should be available for another PC also. So what I will do, I will place a router to divide that network, to divide that internet. I will place a wire with router and that wire will directly switch to that another computer and you can access internet. So this is router will redirect the packets and all. Ping of death means in between if you are not getting response. Now sometime what happens, you write your google.com, sometime it working, it is not responding, means there is some problem, your package might get distracted. Okay, again if you will press enter, your request again go to the server and new packet will come at your machine and you will get response. This is a router switch. This is a router switch which help you to transfer data. That I send request from this google.com. Google should open on my machine only. How they know that I sent request? Just because of they have router. The router switch the thing from where you send a request, on that machine itself you will get response. Is it clear? This is all about router switch. Now, they click here. They clicked means they are going to send request. Okay, you write google.com, press enter. The moment you press enter, your request goes like this. This is your request for google.com. Another request. Now what this is all about, in this box your request is going. Now from where this request came, this is all about that address. Make sure that this request response should come to on this address only. Okay. Sometime your other request get clashed. Means that's why sometime you are not getting response. Again you have to send request. Okay. So sometime we say our net is working slow. Okay. This can happen internally. These are the routers in between, which are picking the packets. So which request is coming from where and where it has to send. This is the router. This is the router switch, which will redirect your packets. Now they are talking about proxy. Okay. Now that proxy is known as, like, you are not able to access Facebook here. Okay. You are not able to access YouTube here. So there are few sites with which they have restricted. So that is a proxy we have made. If you will use another proxy on the same proxy, you can access the thing. Because another proxy will bypass the server. Okay, so they are talking about proxy. If that request is invalid, that means they have available in that proxy, they will destroy the packet. Okay. Now they are arranging the packets. Sometime what happened, you can see, you open a website will open, few parties open from here, few here. So means your data is coming into a packets, and at the end of the time they will arrange the packet. Okay. Now they will see which request is here. They will search the address. Now this is the address, business.com. So this is good. There is no restriction with this. Okay. Now another packet will come with a different name and they will destroy that. Okay. Now they will destroy that packet. Again, they will send that packet again to your machine so that you can get response. This is a firewall in between. This is what internet. This is the internet. Okay. This is a company. This is a company. This is a company. This is a company. In between, you can see why we use www, World Wide Web. Okay. So this is all about World Wide Web. So from anywhere, from any line, you can get the packet. But that should be available under switch or under router. Okay. This is a virus in between. Now this firewall is your internal firewall. Okay. Now this firewall is having a port number. 80 port number, 21, 25, 53. So basically in our network we always use 80 port number, 8080. 8080 port number is for browsing, and for mailing we use 25. Okay. Now if I'll show you see, I'm using this cyber room. This cyber room is having an address, IP address, and after IP address this is a port number. I'm using 80. Okay, for browsing. For mailing we always use 25. Okay. Whatever packet will come to 25 and 80, it will go. Other packets will destroy.
This firewall is operating on ports 80 and 25. All attempts to enter through other ports are closed for business. Port 25 is used for mail packets. While port 80 is the entrance for packets from the internet to the web server. Inside the firewall, packets are stored smoothly.
Now this thing is available on your system itself. If you will open control panel, you can see there is a Windows firewall. This is a Windows firewall. Okay. If you will make it on, this is a turn Windows firewall on or off. So basically this is off now. If you will make it on, your restriction will be there. Okay, no one will able to connect with your machine just because of this firewall. Okay, firewall will not allow you to access your computer to anyone. Is it clear? So we make it off. Sometimes we use remote desktop connection. Sometimes we use remote desktop connection. So that's why we make it off.
Easily through customs. Let's look just a bit dubious. The firewall officer
This is a firewall. If someone will come to access, they will destroy. Now, this is the last step. At the end, they will get respond and they will print up on your screen.
It's just a line on the interface to be taken up into the web server. Nowadays, the web server can run on many things, from a mainframe to a webcam to the computer on your desk. Why not your refrigerator? With a proper setup, you can find out if you have the makings for chicken cacciatore or if you have to go shopping. Remember, this is to honor the net. Almost anything's possible.
So this is the response.
The packets are received, opened, and unpacked.
Okay?
The information
They will get the response. Google will open.
your request for information is sent on to the web server application.
Now again same process will go. Another request,
Itself
then again
is received,
all the things.
ready to be used again.
Another request and again this.
Information.
You understood anything? There are lots of things available in internet. You are just using, and you find that this is very easy to use. But which are the things working behind this internet? It's very complicated. Okay, there are multiple devices works under this internet. We have router, we have switch available into AppTech for internet. That's why only one internet access is there, and you are using that internet in any computer in this AppTech. Okay? Even with the help of network, I can access your machine by sitting here. I can do anything. Okay?
Now, sir,
Tell me your IP address.
around to get the address.
Write open CMD. CMD.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Write IP config.
P.
868.
And press enter. Tell me this IPv4 address.
192 168
Okay.
1
Okay.
145.
145.
Yeah.
Maybe your firewall is on. Firewall. You tell Lawrence. You tell me your IP address.
It's 192.168.128. Sir,
Right?
hold on, sir. I just used the ping. I tried it.
128.
192.168.1128. Yeah. Ang dami. Ping kasi. Yun po.
Firewall is on your machine.
Turn off. Control panel.
Do one thing. If you want me to connect to your PC,
Control.
make these changes. Go to control panel.
Security.
Go to control panel. In control panel there is this system. Even you guys also try. Go to control panel. In control panel there is this system. Click over there. In system, on right hand side there is an option called remote setting. There is an option called remote setting. In that, you have to click here, allow remote connection to this computer.
Yes.
Got it? Done?
Wait, sir.
Before it was there, don't allow.
No, it's not.
It's allowed. Check your firewall.
Turn up.
And this one, first option,
Checkbox.
it's allowed. Tell me your IP address.
192.
Tell me last digits. After
190.
Naka-check yung radius ng checkbox dito. Di ba? Check to kanina.
Okay.
whatever. Let me check.
90.
1 line?
90.
Yeah.
90.
Only 90.
Yeah.
Yes. Now this is not my machine. This is Shah's machine. Okay. If you want to see my machine, this is my computer, and this is.
First count black set.
Wait, it is loading now. Whatever she opened over there, I can see here. This is a network signal.
So sir, I can check Mariam's computer from my computer.
Even at home you can do the same if you have more than one PC. See. Okay, this is yours.
Voice save.
If I will open anything over here,
Adik
not
adik.
bad, and I will like okay. Now you log in.
هذا العيال.
Got it? Even I can do chatting with the help of this command prompt with anyone. Even I can create wireless headset. If I want to shut down my machine, I can do it from here.
Teach us this thing, sir.
There are many things available into network. Okay? If I want to shut down my machine from here, I will like
Kasi nag-lagi.
shut down. How many seconds? In 45 seconds. Sorry.
Ini yang juga. Ah, itu yang boleh. Saya sendiri ada RCT. RCT. Kita kan. Books yang kita ada yang kita harus kita. It's just no. It's not about
Okay.
that. RCT.
So, within a 45-minute your machine will shut down automatically. My machine. And if you want to stop that, log off is cancelled. Abort. Okay. So there are many things available.
But this for the IT to check others' computers. It's only with this router.
With?
Router, I mean.
Yeah.
That was this router. What's the name of this
Because
router?
your each and every computer is attached with a server which is directly connected to router or switch.
So what is the name of this router?
It can be Cisco router.
What is this called?
Cisco is a company. Deals with network.
It calls router. Which router?
Even if you have modem, you can use that.
We have models.
Okay? Is it clear? And this is, networking is not that easy. Let me tell you. It's a tougher than software engineering, which you are doing languages. It's a tougher than that. Okay? You have tools like this IP. And if I talk about IP 192.168.1 whatever thing is there, that IP, how that IP is given to my machine. So there is a lots of calculation behind that.
There is mathematics also.
What? Yeah, there is a mathematics.
Okay.
Fine. You have to calculate the things and is it clear? Now another thing which we want to discuss, which I want to discuss over here, in Dreamweaver, if you want to work with server technologies, and you want to get data from database, Okay, if you want to get data from Excel sheet, if you want to get data from Access, Microsoft Access, if you want to get data from any other technology which is having a capacity to store data, you can connect that server with your Dreamweaver. How? Site. Okay, we have created site. I have a site called Flash site. So if I will go to edit, in edit there is an option advanced settings. There is an option called advanced settings. In advanced settings there are many things they have given.
Sir, we have to remember these steps.
Yes, in last chapter they have given this. But
Repeat it.
we will not be able to use this thing now because we do not have any server with us. We do not have any server with us. Like if you are going to use server technologies, you should have server. You should have server for that. Now, if you will use PHP server language, if you will go to File, New, there are many server languages they have given here.
Sir, what is server language?
Server language means you need a particular server to run that code.
What is
For HTML, let me tell you first. If you are using HTML, you can write your code on Notepad and you can use that. Okay? There is no need for any other software or any other technology. You can use Notepad yourself. Even for JavaScript also. But if you are going to use these technologies, PHP, JSP, CodeFusion, ASP, so these technologies are related to a server. A server means if you are going to write code in PHP, to execute that code, it needs assistant to understand that code. It's a very high level. Okay, this PHP is basically used with HTML only. And PHP is having a server called Apache. Apache is a server which helps PHP to execute their code. Is it clear? We need to configure server first. There is one thing available into PHP, that is LAN and WAN. Okay, WAN means Windows, Apache, PHP and MySQL. So they have combination of these things. So this is very advanced level thing. If I will tell you further,